Welcome to our next lessons about correspondence. The first word is assemble. A-S-E-M-B-L. Assemble. This word is a verb and it means to come together in a single place or bring parts together in a single group. It could also mean to put together. Example 1. Her assistant copied and assembled the document. Example 2. The mailroom clerk read the directions before assembling the parts to the new postage printer. Our next word is beforehand. Say it with me. B-E-F-O-R-H-A-N-D. Beforehand. This word is an adverb and it means earlier than a particular time, in advance, or in anticipation. Example 1. To speed up the mailing, we should prepare the labels beforehand. Example 2. The goods could have been shipped today had they given us the order beforehand. Our next word is complication. C-O-M-P-L-I-C-A-TION. Complication. This word is a noun and it means something which makes a situation more difficult. It could also mean difficulty or a complex situation. Example 1. There was a complication with the delivery because the address was written incorrectly. Example 2. Complication always arrives when we try to cover too many topics in one letter. Our next word is courier. K-O-R-E-R. Courier. Courier. This word is a noun and it means a person who carries an important message or documents for someone else. Could also just mean a messenger or an official delivery person. Example 1. We hire a courier to deliver the package. Example 2. The courier service will clear the goods through customs.